Hey, welcome. So today I'll be installing some luscious and easy mini twists from HOTBRAIDS. It came in this set of comb and brushes together with this cute tote bag for your salon and to store the hair as well. I love the fact that the hair came in this netty storage bag, or I don't know what it's called. So I got their Kinky curly hair in 3C4A, and I got it because it is the closest to my hair type. You can also get something close to your hair type whenever you want to install a kinky curly hair, just to have a more natural look. And they also sent me samples of the other hair types they have available. You can see how different they look when twisted. So because I'm going for the boho look and I want it to be very full, I told her to divide the hair just so we have more hair to work with. Most of the time when making my hair, I always go for the middle part because it fits the frame of my face, and my hairstylist knows this. I've been working with her for so long. She's almost like family now. So to make it easier, she's dividing my hair to achieve the look that I want. So to avoid too much tension on my hair, she's braiding it first, like to give that knotless braid look, but without the gel because my hair does not handle gel very well. After braiding the roots of my hair, then she adds the extension to it and starts twisting. Depending on how full you want your boho to look, you can take out less or more hair. I wanted this hair to last longer, so we went for a small size. This style is so beautiful and simple as well if you put your mind to it. So I'll just let you watch through the process so that you can grasp the technique she used, okay? guys, hey lovely humans of the world. I am in a good mood. This hair is giving everything it is supposed to give. I mean, I expected it to be good, but not this good. And the nice part about this hair is it is so lightweight. Like, I can literally shake my head like this and not feel pain. For the girlies with sensitive scalp, you know that the first few days, a week, is always very, but this hair is just so light. I love it. I feel like it would be nice on anybody. So light. And the curls, my hairstylist kept talking about the curls. Like, they are so nice. I literally didn't do anything. I just used water. You can probably use water and conditioner and then let it dry if you want to have a more voluminous look. And thanks HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring this video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like this video, comment down below. I want to know the hair type you'll be going for, how you want to style the hair, the style you love the most. Just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. So I thought to show you guys my night routine, which is pretty simple. I just wrap my hair with a scarf, or I use my satin bonnet. For days I want to be extra, I apply my hair growth oil, and that's about it. Oh, guys, remember you are gorgeous, your skin is amazing, and your hair is beautiful. Thanks for watching.